Good morning, my name is Clifford James M. Adlaon, and I am here to present my research with the title of Motivation and Critical Thinking Skills Among Grade 10 Students. Global Setting. A study in Turkey found a correlation between motivation and critical thinking skills using a personal information form and statistical analysis. While in Asia, researchers in Thailand revealed that only 2.09% of students passed a logical thinking and mythical skills assessment. In the Philippines, a study in Zambales investigated the impact of collaborative individual learning approach on critical thinking skills. Research gap. First, limited understanding. While motivation and academic achievements have been studied, the specific influence of motivation on critical thinking skills is not fully understood. 2. Urgency of the study. Critical thinking is essential for navigating complex challenges and building a better future. This research aims to address this gap. Research objectives: to describe the motivation of students in terms of intrinsic and extrinsic goal orientation, control of learning beliefs, self-efficacy, task value, social engagement, and instructional support. To describe the critical thinking skills of students in terms of their ability to formulate issue, ask and answer questions, analyze argument, use logical arguments, solve problem, evaluate result, identify bias, and draw conclusion. To determine also the significant relationship between motivation and critical thinking skills, and to identify the specific domain of motivation that significantly influence critical thinking skills. Research hypothesis. Hypothesis 1. There is no significant relationship between motivation and critical thinking skills. Hypothesis 2. There is no domain in motivation that significantly affects critical thinking skills. Research questions. Number 1. What is the current level of motivation among grade 10 students at Sagayan National High School, considering intrinsic and extrinsic goal orientation, control of learning beliefs, self-efficacy, task value, social engagement, and instructional support? Number 2. What are the critical thinking skills level of grade 10 students at Sagayan National High School in terms of their ability to formulate main issue, ask and answer questions, analyze argument, problem solving, and identify biases? Number 3. Is there a significant relationship between the motivation level and critical thinking skills of grade 10 students at Sagayan National High School? And which domain of motivation most significantly influenced their critical thinking abilities? Theoretical framework. Motivation is a sense of change in oneself or the environment influencing behavior and effort, while critical thinking provides guidance for improving students' learning and supporting the technique process. A quantitative research employs some case study. Case 1. Lack of clear goals and expectation. Individual performance metrics were not well defined, leading to confusion and frustration, or some other calls it lost in the fog. No clear goals. Imagine you're playing a game, but nobody tells you the rules or what you're trying to win. That's how the team felt. They didn't know exactly what they were supposed to achieve, making them confused and frustrated. Case 2. Limit recognition and rewards. Success were not celebrated, and there was a lack of tangible incentives for exceeding expectation. No cheers, no threats. Lack of recognition. Nobody noticed or celebrates their hard work, and success went unnoticed, and they didn't get any special rewards for doing well. Case 3. Poor communication and collaboration. Team members felt isolated and lacked opportunities to share ideas and support each other. Negative work environment. A culture of negative and blame had taken root, hindering team cohesion and individual motivation. Research design. This study will make use of quantum non-experimental design utilizing correlational techniques to be able to give description to the possible existing relationship between two identified variables. Data analysis mean used to measure the level of motivation and critical thinking skills. Person R determines a significant relationship between motivation and critical thinking skills. Regression analysis identifies the domain of motivation that significantly influence critical thinking skills. In conclusion, both motivation and critical thinking skills are moderately evident among students, and motivation plays a crucial role in enhancing critical thinking. The level of motivation among students at Sagayan National High School is moderate, with an overall mean of 3.38 students. Critical thinking skills are also moderate, with an overall mean of 3.30. There is a significant relationship between motivation and critical thinking skills, indicated by an R value of 0.6 and a P value of 2.98. Certain motivation factors such as self-efficacy, task value, and instructional support significantly influence critical thinking skills. Motivation plays a crucial role in enhancing students' critical thinking abilities. Understanding this relationship can help in developing better educational strategies. Recommendation: strengthen family engagement in students' academic and personal development through workshops and seminars. This can be achieved by organizing regular parent-teacher meetings. Implement initiatives to enhance students' motivation, focusing on self-efficacy, task value, and instructor support. Incorporate critical thinking exercise into the curriculum to improve student skills. Provide professional development for teachers to better support students' motivation and critical thinking. Conduct further research to explore other factors that may influence students' critical thinking skills. Thank you for listening and good day.